Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing great in this lockdown. There are few news which is going on regarding the Sushant Singh Rajput and may his soul rest in peace. So there are a lot of negativities everywhere around, and I know the lockdown has not been very good to everybody. For few people it was average, for few it was good, and for few it was just constant. But I think we need to get out of all that, and we need to understand one thing: the time is not gonna remain the same. It is moving, or it is going to move forward. So I think what all we need is to have patience. I know there are a lot of ups and downs, so it is just a small condolences to the entire family of the actor. Yes, I really felt bad, and things apart. Welcome back to my video. So this is mostly about the Max online purchases that I did. Now I kind of ordered this 2 months before, and I got delivered 1 or 1.5 weeks before. So due to the COVID-19, I just kept the parcel, I think, outside in the sun for like 2 days, and then I kind of removed the outer packaging, and then I have actually washed them, and then I'm kind of showing you. So in no way I am supporting the online shopping, because I don't think even now it is very safe to do online shopping. But these are the few things that I ordered like in the month of April, because I was somewhere aware that lockdown is gonna happen, and I need to purchase some clothes which I can wear at home. Anyway, whatever it is, it reached me, and I thought of to give a review. Now many of us know the Max Fashion offline store. I'm so sorry, offline store, because whenever we go to shopping complexes, that's the first thing I think, Pantaloons, Globus, and then Max we visit. Now whenever it comes to the offline physical store, then I usually go for wallets, shrugs, and the western outfits. Now those things are also available in the Max Fashion, but today's video is completely gonna be about whatever I purchased to wear at home. Like there are few t-shirts, not only for home, but yes, there are few t-shirts that I kind of purchased to wear at home, and like to go nearby here and there, because there was some very good offer going on. I think it's still going on, so you can even avail that. So I thought, why not to film a video, because I did check their online store and the offer is still going on. So I kind of purchased two capris and then 4 t-shirts, out of which I think 2 are to wear at home. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna wear at home or in the day-to-day life, but let's just quickly begin the video without any further ado. First thing which I'm going to show is are the capris. So the one capri that I got is, and this is to wear at home completely. So this is the one which I got, and they are all pure cotton. This is a very funky print which says XO, lots of love and hugs. So this is something, and this is a capri length. No, I think this is a full length. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the full length, but at the same time I got capri also, but this is the completely full length. These are completely cotton, and it has the entire everything, nadas and everything attached. The waist is elastic. Now I got in the size large, because I want my outfit to be a little loose when I wear at home. And yes, if people are not getting to catch the brand, then this is what it is. It's Max, and I'm very sure that due to lockdown nobody forgot about the Max. Anyway, if you guys forgot, then this is the logo. So this is the first thing which I got. I think it was retailing for like $4.99 or something change. Now on overall purchase there was a discount or something, which I really don't remember, because it was about like 2 months, or I think no, even before that, April. Yeah, April month I ordered it. So that was my first capri, complete cotton, and trust me, the whatever I have shopped before in the Max Fashion, I think they lasted for like more than 1 year. Yes, still I'm wearing those capris and t-shirts at home which are like for 2 years back. So I think the quality itself is very very good, and I kind of used it. That's the reason mostly the homeware clothes like t-shirts and capris I usually order from Max Fashion, which is an online store. And at the same time there is one more yeah, FB. I think there before me there is some brand in Big Bazaar or Food Bazaar. I really don't remember. There also the products are really good. So that was my first capri. Coming to the next one, this is something on the blue and the print is really really quirky. Now you can see that after the wash I removed it. Now these all clothes after wash I'm gonna show you. I am showing you actually. So please make sure if you have ordered something essential things which you are getting delivered now, please keep it outside for like 2 to 3 days and then get a wash and then wear it. So without washing, please do not wear any of the clothes. And I think the cases are rising, I think to a greater extent. So please be a little careful, because I think that's the only one thing we can do for us and the family and the neighbors. I somewhere feel that, and I hope everybody is feeling the same. So this is the second capri, which is a complete capri. This is not a full length. This is a capri, and again the quality is supremely good. It is pure cotton. No, it is cotton along with a little t-shirt material. And yes, if I have purchased in the size of large. This is what the brand is, and it is having the complete this thing. So I think this also retail for me like $4.99 change. I won't say it's a pricey, because I think I'm gonna use this for like 2 years or so, and for that range it is completely fine. It is completely fine. So this is the second thing. Next, about the t-shirts. Now already one t-shirt to wear at home, to pair them up. Now there are in the Max in the online store there are a kind of pairing which is a capri and the t-shirt. They are of the same kind of print. For example, if the capri is this print, somewhere apart from like resembling to this print the t-shirt is. Now I don't like those kind of outfits to wear at home. I want little to be little mismatch or match, whatever you can say. So I ordered few t-shirts. Yeah, I think 4 of them. 2 I'll wear as a casual and 2 at home. The first thing which I ordered is this. I have used it like 3-4 times. So this is the t-shirt which I ordered. Oh, this is a beautiful pista color. Now this is completely cotton, by the way. The t-shirt which I wear, I make sure they are completely cotton when I wear at home. Now I used it like many times. I think 4-5 times I've used this. This is really good quality and nothing happens to the color. This is a little pista color. I hope it looks very dull, but at the same time it's supremely good. I think these were very inexpensive. I think $199 or yeah, 200 change, 256, and then after discount it became $199. So that's what. Even for the men there are lots of options. My husband have ordered boxers for himself and they were really good. By the way, there are few boxes which got automatically cancelled because the stocks were really not available. So please make sure that whenever you order you have enough stocks, because whenever while dispatching, I think few of them they just cancel them stating the orders are cancelled due to the lack of the stock or something like that. But again, the quality of the product is really really nice. So this was the first t-shirt that I got and I used it like I don't know how many times. And the second t-shirt which I ordered for my home is this. This is a very cute burgundy color. Yeah. Burgundy color, and this is, I love the color, so I'm just gonna I think pair this up with the blue one and the pista one with the black one. So that's how I kind of thought of contrasting it, but again depends. You can wear this outside also. They are really good quality. Now this is unused, so you can see the logo and this thing here, but that t-shirt I used it like for a number of times. So I am in the size large, so basically it fitted me very well. Usually t-shirt I ordered a size bigger, but in the Max Fashion nothing is like that. I think they are very true to the size, and at the same time the quality of the products are really really good. So that was my second. This was also for 256 or something like that, and after discount it got more lesser. Now the t-shirt which I am wearing right now is also from the Max Fashion. So this is the stripped one. So this is kind of red, and then the black strip is running across the body. Now the length is the normal length. This is not a crop top, but this is the normal length t-shirt. So this I usually wear outside for the casual, if you want to go outside somewhere like that. This retail for like 300 change, but again after discount it was reduced more. I will try and leave the link in the description box, so just in case you wanted to check, you just can directly hit the link and then purchase for yourself as well. On the same pattern I got one more color, which is this mustard yellow. So this is the t-shirt actually which I'm wearing. The length is like this. It's a little loose kind of, which gives a lot of comfortness and at the same time a very good look when you actually wear it. So these two t-shirts are the same. This is red and this is the mustard one. Now I have purchased this a little larger. I don't know, because the size was not available, so I ordered XL of it. I think this will be very baggy, but I love sometimes to wear baggy also. Doesn't matter, but the fabric is complete cotton and very very soft and very wearable, especially I think in this summer is already gone, but again in the monsoon also sometimes you feel really humid and you want to wear something very light. So I think this is for that. This also I'm gonna wear it outside. I think I will be posting a lot of pictures in the Instagram, so do follow me on the Instagram as Rituparna Datta Dev. I will also always in the end of the video I do mention in the comment the Facebook and Instagram link, so please do follow me there, so that after wearing all this outfit you can see me how exactly the fit and everything is with all the clothes or any of the purchases that I do. So that's pretty much my review. The review is really good. The quality of the stuffs is really good. As far as delivering is concerned, because of COVID-19 it was a little late, but I think now things have settled to I think 30 or 40% extent. So now I think they are delivering within 10 days, yeah. But for these products it took a very long while, and that's the reason I'm doing the video now. So anyway, I love the purchase and I will give you the link of the purchase in the description box. So that's it for today, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel.